Introducing STAKK, the all-in-one portable cooking system for camping. Become the master chef in the wild with this all-in-one cooking system that is lighter than an empty cooler. What could be better than waking up in the wild, with songbirds serenading you from the canopy of trees shading your tent? We've designed the ultimate companion to your camping stove. It's truly mobile and works with what you have, so you can make amazing food wherever you are. STAKK is a multifunction camp cooking system, the world's first all-in-one portable camp cooking system. It's the most compact way to become a master chef in the wild. STAKK is a stackable design that only takes up 1 SEF of your trunk space. A portable camp cooking gadget should be a breeze to take with you. At just 12.8 pounds, the innovative design of STAKK places the heat source underneath the system outside the cooking area. There are no burners built inside. All STAKK needs is an open flame to roast, toast, bake, smoke, air fry, and more to your heart's content. Use STAKK with whatever you have, even if all you have is a campfire. The design also means the system heats up rapidly. You can preheat up to 650 in about 10 minutes. A versatile go. Anywhere cooking system, use it with whatever fuel you already have. No expensive add-ons are required. All you need is a flame. 3 easy steps. 1. Preheat your STAKK on top of an open fire or camping stove for approx. 10-15 minutes. 2. Check the temperature from the thermometer, then put your favorite food into STAKK. 3. Enjoy your freshly made gourmet food when cooking time is up. Bake, grill, roast, toast, smoke, or air fry your favorite foods with the only one gadget you take with you. Bake your cupcakes. Air fry escargots and potato wedges. Smoke salmon with aromatic spices. STAKK is about slow pace, good life, and sustainability. STAKK is made from 100% aluminum alloy, aluminum also known as the green metal. It is one of the most environmentally friendly metals because of its sustainability. As the most recyclable industrial material, aluminum can be recycled infinitely to produce the same product. Recycling aluminium also saves 95% of the energy used in its production from raw materials. You can easily detach the parts for cleaning purposes. STAKK stackable design allows you to pack your cooking system quickly and tidily. Minimalist, compact, works well with your camping stove. STAKK is the ultimate companion to your camping stove. It's truly mobile and works with what you have. Support our campaign today and be your own chef in the wild. Make delicious meals and memories with this all-in-one camp cooking system or gadget.